introducing the Conquest XR45TD floor scrubbing machine. This video is a guide for operators of the Conquest XR45TD to demonstrate how to safely prepare, use and maintain the machine. A little knowledge can go a long way. Following these simple instructions will ensure trouble-free operation and maximum benefit from your investment. Remember, it is important that you have also read and understood the printed manual provided with your Conquest XR45TD for detailed operation and maintenance instruction. First, inspect the scrub deck and the discs. Check for damage to the deck and ensure it is sitting straight. Check the discs are clean and secure and not worn or torn. The discs must be replaced when worn to less than 12 mm in thickness. Next, inspect the squeegee assembly. Remove the squeegee assembly with the quick release fitting and flush with water. The squeegee assembly consists of a front and rear squeegee. Ensure that the rubber squeegee blades are clean and free from tears or damage. The blades may be rotated so they wear more evenly or replaced as required. Replace the squeegee assembly as shown and tighten the knobs by hand. Once installed, mount the squeegee recovery hose to avoid damage and do not operate the machine if the squeegee is dragging crooked or hard on the floor when lowered. Refer to your printed manual for correct settings. Step back and walk around the machine to visually inspect for any signs of damage or wear that may prevent proper function of your Conquest XR45TD floor scrubber. Now, fill the solution tank with water and chemical from the front port. This is protected by stainless steel gauze to prevent debris from entering the tank. At the back of the machine, you'll see a solution level indicator tube. Be careful to ensure you do not overfill the tank. Please note, you may also use the indicator to discharge the clean water as required. It is important not to leave chemicals sitting in the solution tank for more than one day. Now we will introduce the step-by-step instructions for the effective operation of your Conquest XR45TD scrubbing machine to clean floors in a single pass. Step 1. Power up your Conquest XR45TD by turning the key in the ignition to the on position. The LCD display will illuminate to show the battery indicator, a water setting indicator and a brush pressure indicator. You'll also see the brush operation, water flow and vacuum operation symbols indicating that all systems are activated. Please wait until the battery indicator is showing before operating the machine. The green button on the right of the controls is the hour meter. Pressing the hour meter button displays the key switch hour meter, drive motor hour meter, the scrub motor hour meter and the vacuum motor hour meter. The hour meter function is an important reference for your preventative maintenance program. Step 2. Set the solution control. Looking at the control panel, you'll see 3 different controls. The control in the center is for your water control. When pressing this, there are 6 position icons located on the LCD screen. Your solution control is automatically set and locked by management. Step 3. Set the down pressure. The down pressure button is the one located near the hour meter. The black toggle displays 5 position icons on your LCD screen, allowing you to set the scrubbing pressure. Down pressure may also be automatically set and locked by management. Step 4. Lower the scrub deck using the scrub deck raise and lower switch, which is located on the right of the main control panel. For reverse movements, use the red toggle switch as shown. Push it forwards for the vehicle to move forwards. Put the position to the back to reverse the machine. Step 5. To operate the machine, simply place your foot on the accelerator. It is important not to try and clean too fast. Choose a speed that allows you to clean thoroughly, taking in account the texture of the surface and how dirty the surface is. Step 6. Engage the operator lockout keys. Turn these to the lock position, so then the operator only needs to use the green button displayed beside the reverse and drive red toggle switch. Step 7. Lower your squeegee by using control on the left of the main control panel. This is in the on position and will activate the squeegee and vacuum motor at the same time. Remember to always operate the machine in accordance with the printed manual supplied with your Conquest XR45TD scrubbing machine. At the end of your scrubbing cycle, it is important to drain and clean your floor scrubber. Perform some quick daily maintenance. Before performing daily maintenance, please ensure you review the daily maintenance checklist in your Conquest XR45TD floor scrubbing machine manual for a detailed understanding on how to correctly maintain your machine. Drain the recovery tank. First, drain the recovery tank over an approved floor drain. To do this, turn off the power, then release the cap on the drain hose and allow recovered water to drain accordingly. Be careful to avoid skin contact in case of contamination. With the machine still positioned over the drain, open your recovery tank housing, flush the tank with clean fresh water and allow to drain. Empty the drain saver. Remove the drain saver basket to ensure it is clean and in good working condition. Remove any debris that has been caught in the drain saver basket. Check all hoses for damage or wear. Check the recovery hose for any damage or wear. Once satisfied, replace as shown. Also check the black vacuum hose for any wear or damage. Empty the freshwater solution tank. When chemicals are added to the solution tank, it must be emptied at the end of each use as shown. Inspect and clean the recovery tank. Check the recovery tank latches for signs of wear or damage. Check the recovery tank lid seals, lid hinges, vacuum screen and tank are each clean and in proper working condition. Wipe down the recovery tank seals and tank as shown. Once a week, you should also perform a detailed inspection of the solution tank. Check the tank for damage or of any scratches that could possibly cause leaks. Check the front fill solution screen port and make sure the solution cover and stainless steel screen are clean and in good working condition. Check your tank lanyard for damage or wear as shown. Caution: it is important not to spray near the electronic control panel or any motors as moisture may cause damage to your machine. Check your seat for damage such as wears or tears. Ensure the seatbelt is in good working condition. Check the steering wheel for wear or damage. Please report any damage. Charging your machine. Check the power leads are in good working condition, free from wear or damage. Always ensure the AC power lead is kept plugged into the onboard charger to avoid damaging the charger. It is important to always use the original charger, which has been especially designed to recharge your Conquest XR45TD machine. The fully automatic charger will indicate the status of the battery pack by the two indicator lights and will terminate when fully charged. Check batteries and charge. Check the batteries are free from corrosion and there is no visible sign of leaks. Battery maintenance. Once a week, you should perform maintenance on your batteries that power your Conquest SDS115E-D floor scrubbing machine. Ensure the batteries are fully charged before performing battery maintenance. Always use protective gloves and safety glasses to minimize the risk of injury when working with lead-acid batteries. Fill the batteries with fluid. The one-point fill system is a quick and easy way to top up the battery fluid. Simply attach the hand pump to the quick release fitting. Drop the pipe into a bucket of distilled water and lightly pump the hand pump until the bulb becomes tight and all batteries indicate they are at the correct levels. Disconnect the hand pump. Disconnect the hand pump and replace the rubber cap. Never leave the hand pump attached to the battery fill pipe. Always disconnect and store separately. Careful operation coupled with simple maintenance routine will ensure you keep your machine in peak condition, ready to deliver great cleaning results again and again and again.